Hi yogis, it's Rosalie here and welcome to this yoga series for complete beginners. Today we're looking at Crescent Lunge, which is also sometimes called High Lunge. It has lots of the same characteristics as a Warrior One, which we did yesterday. I'll put the link right here. But it has one key difference, and the difference is the back foot. That back heel is lifted in a crescent lunge. So we're going to get started today in a runner's lunge. So to get there, we're going to meet in a downward facing dog. So take a moment here in your downward facing dog, maybe just to pedal out through your legs, maybe shake your head a little bit back and forth, maybe give your cat a little kiss. Hello, Millie. Good. Remember to really press the palms into the mat. Send the heels down towards the mat. Long arms, long legs. Your next inhale, go ahead and float the right leg up towards the sky. Now, as you exhale, bring that right foot in between your hands. So step it lightly. If it doesn't go by itself, just use your right hand to help you. Now have a look at that front knee. You want to make sure the knee is stacked directly above the ankle or slightly behind. Now feel into that back foot. You want to make sure you're really pressing the back heel away. So the heel stacked above the ball of the foot here. Really engage that back leg. Now we're going to bring one hand to that bent knee and then the other hand. So you're coming up. That leg is super engaged at the back. Draw the belly button in, and we're going to reach the arms up. Good. Now bend the back knee a little bit, and as you exhale, can you straighten it and engage it even more? Can you bend the front knee a little bit more? Draw the belly button in. We're going to stay here one more nice big breath. Well done. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat and simply come back in a downward facing dog and drop onto your knees. Let's meet in a seated position. There are three common mistakes I see in a crescent lunge. The first is overextending that front knee, and that's why it's really important to make sure at the beginning the knee is stacked above the ankle. Take care of your knees, make sure you're not overextending. The second thing I see sometimes is that the core is not engaged, so the belly is just hanging out. Don't do that. Draw that belly button in. The third thing I see is that the shoulders are lifting up towards the ears. So when you lift your arms up, make sure you keep your shoulders soft. Think about really sliding the shoulder blades down your back. And one more thing I see in this pose sometimes, and that's a lazy back foot. That back leg has to be super duper engaged. So the heel is really lifted, you're pressing it towards the back of the foot, and the whole leg is super engaged. Well, thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class. Make sure you practice on the other side as well. Take everything we've talked about just now and do it on your left side.